So we're gonna taste the meat sauce for the lasagna because we're making lasagna for the children, okay?
Okay.
So dip the spoon and you need to tell us if the flavor is good. Does it need anything else?
No.
Okay, give me a thumbs up then. All right, thank you.
Oh.
People, they want to know. Let's see, so we gotta read 165 and higher.
You should give those to the production.
Yep, in the middle,
And show it.
165 and higher. Perfect.
They know how to do.
Look at this.
That's not
Wow. Look, Summer.
Definitely.
This is better than supper. Wow, mashed potatoes, real mashed potatoes. Real turkey.
Real mashed potatoes. Potatoes are not so great.
Real turkey. Wow, look at that. And Claudine is here too. Claudine, I'm making a movie.
Ciao, come stai? Happy Thanksgiving.
Ciao. And then we got over here chicken tenders cooking. Stefano is.
Where we're going. He's a chef.
Look at this. This is really homemade in a home.
That's right. Yeah, so we pulling them down right now.
So what we're doing, we're cooking for the foster team. They lost a lot of frozen food during the hurricane. The last hurricane, there was Amore, what was the name of the last hurricane? Milton. The list is so long over here. So over here we're doing chicken tenders. So that's what we're doing with the church, with Gourmet Church. And I'm Chef Giuseppe, and this is Eva Amore. Amore is doing the dishes.
These are cool, right?
They're getting there. We got Stefano that is keeping the dinners under control. We got Mavis, that she's the owner of a Clayton restaurant on Siesta, and she's in charge of the portion, just to make sure that we stay track with the money. And then we got Claudine. Claudine, she's putting a touch of love to all the dinners. And then here, our boss. We got Summer, that she's a registered, or she used to be a registered dietitian. I'm trying to get her back to work together. And she's feeling the adrenaline.
I like this stuff. This is what I'm happy doing.
And this is me. That I'm getting older, I can tell. So I work less, and I have more fun. Ciao.
Ciao. Ciao.